The notification for your NET examination is released, and this time the December 2020 cycle and the June 21 cycle would be clubbed together. So there would be a common exam which would be held from 6th of October to 11th of October. Note the dates. And for now, for the June 2021 cycle, the dates are released for filling the form, and those have already started from 10th of August to 5th of September. Now, admit card date to be downloaded would be announced later, close to the examination. All the students who had already filled the form for the December 2020 cycle and those who have those who would be for the June 21 cycle would be eligible for this exam, and this is only for one time that this exemption is given. But a very important note for you, this time the JRF seats would actually double. That means both the slots would be merged, so the total number of JRF students would be merged, and therefore more seats for JRF this time. Also, the subject wise and the category wise allocation, it would remain unchanged. Now, those who were worried about the age limit, JRF as of now only for this exam cycle, which would be held in October, the age limit has been relaxed, and the age limit now is 31 years as of 1st October 2021. And this is applicable only to the current examination. 5-year relaxation for OBC students, SC, ST, PWD students have been given. Okay. For the assistant professor, as always, there is no upper limit, no age bar. Now, how to start your preparation, which is a common question. So, all of these exams, all of the subjects that you have to simply solve the past year paper. So, you can go to DoorstepTutor and select NTA NET examination here. In the NTA NET, you can select any of the subjects. We have most of the subjects which are there. Let's say you go to paper 1 and you click OK. So, all the topics would be there. You have tests which are there and questions. Now, paper 1 specifically, all the question papers are covered which were asked in 2020 examination. So, this would include most of the questions which were already asked in the 2020 examination. So, across all the 10 papers which were there, the questions have been covered. You can simply browse the question. For example, if you go on to the education section, you would have the list of questions. A best idea to practice here, go through the questions and practice carefully. Then those who have enrolled for the live classes, please note we have 2 upcoming live sessions which are scheduled. One is on 20th of August and the next is on 4th September. Already based on the syllabus, we have covered the lectures which have been mentioned as the doubt resolution sessions and the live sessions which were previously taken in the month of March. So now, closer to the examination, we are scheduling more live sessions. So all those students who are registered, have doubts, can email their questions and queries. Also, students can check out the list of the subjects. Most of the subjects here have the 2020 papers updated. So, you can check out the list from the given section and see which subject questions you want to practice. As a methodology, since you are left with a very close time, it's good idea to cover all the past papers for at least last 5 years, and then practice more for the topics that you think you are weak in. Focus more on those topics, and again same goes with paper 1. Students who are weak with Indian philosophy, Western philosophy need to focus more on that. Some of the students need to focus more on mathematics, others need to focus more on education. So identify the areas and based on that start your preparation. So the details of each of the courses, each of the question sections are given here. You can refer that. Also, make a point that try to note down important things that you did wrong. Some of the important rote learning questions which are important for your examination. So, all that should be compiled, and definitely closer to your examination, we would be covering many further lectures. Wish you a very good luck, and the registered candidates would receive a link for the live classes to join the live classes. Wish you a very good luck for preparation.